I'm Ricardo Chaneton.
My name's Matthew Kirkley.
My name is Manav Tuli.
My name is Barry.
My name is Steve.
咁我叫阿健。
I hope we get a Michelin star this year. It will be great for the whole team. The whole team is so much excited. Everyone asks me every day, Chef, the date is coming near. Are we getting it? Are we getting it?
順其自然，係啦，咁就有係當然係一個獎勵啦。
I always say Michelin star is a reward for a hard work.
I think it's a call for you, actually. So.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Calling from the Michelin guy. I have some good news for you.
Yes.
你嘅餐廳咧喺香港、澳門米芝蓮指南2022咧獲得咗米田1星，恭喜晒！
The best for me in my culinary career.
I think the best news of the century for me, yeah.
通知咗我哋今年又摘星喎。
你们现在都是米其林星级厨师了啊！从现在开始啊，我们2年的努力没有白费，谢谢大家。
We started this kitchen alone. I mean, me and Gaurav. There was a time when bloody hell we used to clean the floor and everything. But yeah, man, it all paid off.
It's a very big achievement for the team, but also for Latin American cuisine, I think, especially in Asia.
Very proud of you.
Congrats, congratulations, right side.
Yeah, I'm just very happy.
We leave you to enjoy the moment and celebrate this achievement with your team.
Thank you so much.